Alright, we'll come back to this. Let's start opening packs. All good, man. Hey. Of course, no legendary. Never lucky. Feels bad. Interesting. Kobold Illusionist. Summon a 1/1 copy from your minion from your hand. Oh. Oh, it's a death. Oh, right. It's a death rattle, not battle cry. Diamo, interesting. 1/3 base synergy. Will probably go very well with the druid deck. That's the new rogue secret. Should be very interesting to see what happens. Can only attack if you have 5 or more armor. I don't think you'll have any problem trying to get more than 5 armor as a warrior. Especially with this card into the mix, this should be very interesting. No. Okay, counter shot is pretty interesting. So immune while attacking. So this is good for like early game removal. Crystal Lion is pretty decent. Play Lost in the Jungle. Plays well with this. You can play it in turn 4 perhaps. But assuming you even get to keep the Silver Hand recruits to begin with. So I don't know how I feel about it. It seems rather iffy at this point in time. Alright. Oh, okay. First legendary? Oh, Rin, the first disciple. Alright, Warlock, is it? Okay. Dragon Hatcher, at the end of your turn, recruit a dragon. Ooh. Windshield Storm, Caller, Summon Elixir. Ooh, okay. It'll be pretty interesting trying to get all the basic totems on the field of play anyway. Not bad. You saw the legendary on Hearthstone. Yeah. It's a very interesting card. You'd have to drag on the game for quite a while to even try to. Like, assuming you get the card on turn 5, and then you gotta play it up to turn 10 as well, so that means you're giving 6 turns away of tempo out. Like, in order to summon... Well, I forgot what the card was called. The Azari, yeah. Like, you gotta consider, is that worth it? If you're able to hold it on that long? Like, it's okay, but, you know... feels very iffy. Evasion, another one of the rogue secrets. And as if rogue didn't have enough interesting cards already, now that they get secrets, it's going to be even all the more slightly infuriating. Oops. Come on, legendary. Never legendary. Potion of Heroism. That's a very interesting card. Oh, this is the Amethyst Spellstone. There's the new Warlock card, I think it is. Duty chest, huh? It's okay. It's a nice gimmick, yeah. Oh, hello. Master Oakheart, recruit a 1, 2, and a 3 attack minion. You know, in hindsight, right? This card works very well with the Dragon Hatcher. It's a battle cry too, right? So you end up getting so much of a tempo play for this. The Stormcaller again. Carnivorous Cube, Hungry Elfin, summon a random 2 cost opponent minion for your opponent. Okay, interesting, interesting. Alright, let's change the card back. I don't know if it makes a difference, but I'd like to think it does. Alright, let's see. Card back. Which card back do I want? Wait, where do my card backs go? Ah, there you go. Or was this one from the Diablo? Yeah. From the Diablo based Tavern Brawl. Unidentified. Should, huh? If you have less than 15 health, gain +3/+3 and taunt is the new form and a 7/7. But comes at a heavy cost though. Like if you had 15 health as a warlock, then you know, at turn 4, if you think about it in that regard, then you've probably done something wrong. But it works as a good control card. Not too bad. Kobold and Monk hero can't be targeted by spells or hero powers. Interesting, interesting. Going? Oh, Twilight Acolyte. Yeah, it's okay. That's the Shaman one, right? Ooh, Healing Rain. Turning them bitches into precipitation and some brain, motherfucker. Oh, the dungeon thing, yeah, is very interesting. It's like an arena run to some degree, if you think about it. Only you continually get to draft more cards. Yay. That is a lot of golden cards so far. Grand Archivist. At the end of your turn, cast a spell from your deck. This card is actually interesting effects. But it's very circumstantial in that regard. Dragon Hatcher, huh? Flanking strike, deal 3 damage, summon a 3/3 wolf. I see. Oh, yeah, boy. Oh, the Valenia. This is the Paladin's one. Give a minion in your hand +4, +4/+2. When it dies, re-equip this. It's interesting. Oh, what am I checking out? Oh, check it out in a moment, mate. Oh, okay, I think you made a mistake there. Oh, okay, all good. I think that's 3 legendaries so far in the course of 70 packs. Oh, hold on. How many packs did I have earlier? 12, 64. I've lost count. I had like 70 something, I think, because I used 2,000 gold to buy 20 packs, which I feel in hindsight might not have been a good idea. But many thanks, Pete. Appreciate it. Also a lot of golden card. Sudden betrayal. When a minion attacks your hero, is the attack one of its own neighbors? I want to see if you can create, like, I want to try to create a deck that revolves around the Master Oaken Shield fellow. No. It'll be very interesting to see how it turns out. But I imagine if you can pull it off, you get a pretty sick tempo play. Yeah, boy. Oh my. Oh my. Ooh. And another one. Anyone keeping count here? I think that's like 4 legendaries now. Well, excluding the default. And another one. OP. Oh my. Oh, well, I got my money's worth. I'm happy with that. That's 6 legendaries over the course of things. So in the spirit of Christmas, it's a bit too early for Christmas, but you know, maybe Santa's feeling extra generous. He might give us some extra legendaries. Gather your party, recruit a minion. It's okay. Oh, the Emerald Spellstone, the Hunter, summon 2 3/3 wolves, place secret to upgrade. Ooh. Drowiska Armorer, Feral Gibber, Violet Worm. Summon 7/1/1 grubs. Interesting. When would you ever use this though? Could you ever use this in Constructed, I think? It's more of an arena card, if anything. It's kind of like a watered down version of Manixia. Level up. Silverhand recruits +2/+2 in taunt. I don't know how effective that will be, but I don't think you'll have enough time to even try to get something on the lines of that. Alright, I'm happy. And another one. Grumble the World Shaker. Yes, another one. Not bad. I like my odds here. Santa's being very nice. Wait. Ah. There's like no red cards. This ain't right. Leyline Manipulator. If you didn't have any cards to start in your deck, reduce the cost by 2. Tell me about it, man. Not bad, not bad. Kobold Barbarian. Very interesting card. At the start of your turn, attack a random enemy. You can force them attack into like a taunt, poisonous. So there's a counterplay for this in a way. Hypothetically, you can go face because it is random enemy. So who knows what you could get. There's so many interesting deck types to try out. I don't know where to begin. Not bad. Double golden. It's okay, it's okay. Champ. And another one. I think the only ones I'm missing now are like the legendary weapons. Those are the ones I'm missing. I've got 2 of 9 of the legendary weapons. So this ought to be very interesting. It's a most wonderful time of the year. Ooh, okay, summon 1 Mithril Golem. Equip a weapon to upgrade. I can assume you'll get a lot more than that, I suppose. Interesting, interesting indeed. Possess Lucky. Recruit. I'm gonna check what this recruit is. Summon a minion from your deck. So when you get... Okay. This ought to be interesting. I don't want too many recruit cards in a deck for obvious reasons. Crystal Line is okay. Kobold, this is alright. Unidentified mods, the paladin weapon. Okay, let's not be greedy and not ask any more from Santa. Santa's been pretty nice to us as is, so let's change. Oh, what was this one? The Ongoers one? Alright, let's kick it old school. Yes, it's the only card back you'll ever need. Not bad, not bad. Deal 3 damage to a minion. Okay. Not bad, not bad. I think we have most of these cards already. Crystal Line's pretty decent, not bad. Super Vanguard, huh? This must be the rogue one. Okay, man. Because Disciple, summon a 5/1 Revenant. So essentially, summon a 5/1 Magma Rager. So Magma Rager, summon another Magma Rager. So I'm not sure how I feel about that in terms of stat wise. It seems rather fishy. It's not too bad, I suppose. It's okay. No more legendaries? Come on, please. Legendary. One more legendary, please. That'd be nice. Oh, hi, Mark. Ugh. Yeah. Golden cards are okay. It's pretty decent. I can't complain about those. Bless a ruby, add 1 random mage spell. I think the reason why you'd get this is because of shit, what's the word? Kabbalah's term is going out of set, I think, as of next year. No, where are my legendaries? Please, legendary. Ben Broad, please. I don't ask much from you. It's okay. Twilight Acolyte. I have like 3 of those now, right? Okay, alright, that's alright. Golden cards, can't complain. Okay, we have those as well. Oh, yeah boy. Wow. Not bad, not bad, not bad. Okay, alright, I'm happy. Thanks, Ben Bread. Alright, I'm a happy chap. That is pretty lit, man. Not OP at all. Not bad, not bad. Alright, that's pretty cool, man. Dark Pack, restore a hero. Oh, okay, so this is not like sacrificial pact, so it's just good. So it doesn't resort to just things, demons.